Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial on Python tricks. In this video we're going to talk about the filter function. Okay, so imagine we have an input list of different random integers like this, and what we're going to do is that we want to filter out the even numbers of the input list and store them in the output list. Okay, so we can do it simply by using a for loop like this for e in input list, and we can check if e is an, let's say, even number, and if it is an even number we will append it to the output list like this. Append, okay. Let's check out the output list. On it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so as you can see, we have all the even numbers that are exist in the input list. Okay, so also there's another way to do it that we've mentioned before, the list comprehension, but we're gonna skip that and we're gonna talk about the filter function. The filter function is another way to do it. So basically what we're going to do, at first I delete these lines of code. We're going to define a function called foo, and it gets an element. This function will check if element is an even number or not. So basically we can say if element mode 2 equals to 0, it means that it's an even number, so it returns true. Otherwise we return false. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is that we're gonna apply this function to every of these elements and check if they are let's say even or not. So we're going to use the filter function in Python, and we can say the output list equals to filter. So as you can see, filter function will get two arguments. The first argument is the function that we wrote here, and the second one is an iterable, which can be the input list that we have. Okay, so we just pass it like this and the input list here. Okay. So the filter function will apply this function that we wrote to each of these elements and filter out based on the conditions that we have here. Okay, so if we check the output list, and we're on the code. So what we have here is a filter object. So again, we have to cast it to the list in order to have a list of numbers and store it as an output. Okay, so run it again, save it, and here we go. So again, we have all the even numbers in our input list. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time, guys.